Welcome to eBoxman, your go-to source for expert dropshipping insights. Today, we're delving into a critical aspect of the business: recognizing and predicting market saturation. In this comprehensive guide, we'll walk you through step-by-step strategies to help you stay ahead in a competitive landscape. Step 1. Conducting market research. Before diving in, it's crucial to gain a deep understanding of your niche. Comprehensive market research unveils trends, consumer preferences, and the competitive landscape. Keep an eye out for signs of oversaturation, such as an abundance of competitors or a decline in consumer interest. Step 2. Monitoring competitors. Stay vigilant about your competitors. Track their pricing strategies, marketing efforts, and customer feedback. Intense competition or a saturation of similar products in the market may signal a saturated market. Step 3. Gathering customer feedback. Your customers hold invaluable insights. Regularly seek feedback to gauge their satisfaction levels and preferences. If you notice a decline in interest or a shift towards alternative products, it could be an early warning sign of market saturation. Step 4. Analyzing sales performance. Your sales data paints a clear picture. Watch for patterns or trends. If you see a consistent decline in sales or a plateau despite your marketing efforts, it's a strong indicator of potential market saturation. Step 5. Leveraging industry reports. Stay informed with industry reports and studies. They offer critical insights into market trends and saturation levels. This information empowers you to make informed decisions about the future of your dropshipping business. Remember, market saturation isn't uniform across all niches. It requires continuous vigilance, adaptability, and a readiness to explore new opportunities. By following these steps, you'll be better equipped to navigate the dynamic world of dropshipping. For more in-depth tips and expert advice, don't forget to subscribe to eBoxman. If you found this guide helpful, give us a thumbs up and share it with fellow entrepreneurs. Any questions or additional insights? Leave them in the comments below. Until next time, happy dropshipping!